Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to check how to use Instagram's new repost feature. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. I'll guide you through the steps slowly and simply. Let's get started. Step 1. Update Instagram to the latest version. Before you can use the repost feature, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. If you're on iPhone, open the App Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update if it's available. If you're on Android, open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update. Once updated, open the Instagram app. Step 2. Find something to repost. Scroll through your feed and find the post or reel you want to share. Take your time to make sure it's the one you want to repost. Step 3. Use the Repost button. Next to the Share button, you'll see a new icon for Repost. Tap on it, and the content will instantly appear in the Reposts tab on your profile. Step 4. Allow others to repost your content. If you want people to repost your own posts and reels, go to your profile and tap the three-line menu in the top right. Select How Others Can Interact with You, then Sharing and Reuse, and turn on Reposts on posts and reels. Make sure your account is public because reposts don't work for private accounts. Step 5. Remove a repost. If you reposted something by mistake, go to your profile and open the Reposts tab. Find the post or reel you want to remove. Tap the repost icon again, and it will disappear from your profile. And that's it. Now you know how to update Instagram and use the new repost feature step by step. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for future updates.